The few books that I had with me, I gave to my friend. This sentence tells us that I had not many books left with me and that I gave all of them to my friend. इस वाक्य से पता चलता है कि मेरे पास एक तो ज्यादा पुस्तकें थी ही नहीं और जो थी भी मैंने उन्हें अपने मित्र को दे दिया. Remember that the meaning would have been the same had we said, I had few books left with me and I gave all of them to my friend. इससे पता चलता है कि the few का मतलब a few के बनिस्पत few से ज्यादा मिलता जुलता है. यानी the meaning of the few is closer to the meaning of few compared to the meaning of a few. और अब हम बात करेंगे little, a little, the little. लिटिल का प्रयोग अनकाउंट नाउन के साथ होता है और लिटिल का मतलब होता है बहुत कम अथवा कुछ ही. यानी लिटिल क्वालिफाइज एन अनकाउंट नाउन. लिटिल मीन्स नॉट मच और हार्डली एनी. लेकिन अ लिटिल लिटिल से हमेशा ज्यादा होता है. यानी अ लिटिल इज सर्टेनली मोर देन लिटिल एंड द लिटिल मीन्स नॉट मच but all of it nevertheless or whatever is left which is not much in any case. यानी the little का मतलब है ज्यादा तो नहीं लेकिन जो भी है वह सब. कुछ और उदाहरण देखिए. There is little chance of his winning the game. This means that there is almost no chance that he will win the game. और यह सेंटेंस सही है. Little knowledge of cooking I had proved very useful to me. लेकिन यह दूसरा सेंटेंस गलत है. Here it should be the little in place of little. The speaker means that he had not much knowledge of cooking. But even this little knowledge proved very useful. In other words, little knowledge or close to no knowledge is a negative. The correct sentence will be, the little knowledge of cooking that I had proved very helpful to me. वक्ता बताना चाहता है कि उसके पास खाना बनाने का कोई विशेष ज्ञान नहीं था, लेकिन जो थोड़ा भी ज्ञान उसके पास था वह ज्ञान उसके बड़े काम आया. इसीलिए हमें यहाँ लिटिल नॉलेज की जगह द लिटिल नॉलेज कहना होगा. Have a look also at another sentence. I am left with just little money in my wallet. What should be the correct sentence? It should be I am left with just a little money in my wallet. हमें याद रखना होगा कि एडवर्ब just का मतलब जब केवल होता है तो उसके आगे यानी उसके और एडजेक्टिव के बीच आर्टिकल अ का प्रयोग होता है. यानी when the adverb just means only, we use the article a between the word just and the adjective that it qualifies. Thus, the correct usage will be a little, not little. Next, we have the set of modifier and adjectives. Much, many, many, are. Much expresses an uncountable quantity. यानी much दर्शाता है किसी uncountable quantity को. Many expresses a countable number. Many दर्शाता है किसी countable quantity को. Many a means several countable things. और many a से मतलब है एक से अधिक countable चीजें. Example, there is not many water in the jug. Incorrect. There is not much water in the jug. Correct. This is because water is an uncountable noun to express a quantity of water. Therefore, we should use much in place of many.